Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. This dash camera from VIOFO, the A129 Pro Duo, has many amazing features. First of all, it's very easy to install. They have very clear instruction. It even comes with the trim removal tool, and I love the size of the rear and the front camera. You're also going to see the video quality. It's amazing, and it's simultaneously recording in the front and in the back. I love it too because when my car is parked, you can see who is behind you or parked right in front. This provides such a peace of mind because if something were to happen, you have everything recorded. This does not come with an SD card, but you can always include it. I want you to pay attention here. It's around 6 p.m., but the lighting over bright and over dark area will be adjusted or balanced. I want you to see that you can also have the time, the day. I'm really loving this because you can see how clear the quality is. Also, the rear camera, it's small. It doesn't get in the way. Once I inserted the SD file to my computer, I was able to track whether was it forward, front camera, you're gonna see here, or if I'm looking for another file, I can always go there, look at the day, and press on the R, which is the rear camera. It's very easy, very friendly to use, just in case you want to backtrack any video, you want to save it, or you want to prove anything. This is a great way to do it. If you're looking for safety and security, this is a great investment, and that is my point of view.